Welcome to the world of DocBrains, where data processing meets innovation and efficiency. Today, we will explore how DocBrains can transform the way you handle data, making your processes smoother and more reliable. In a world where data is growing faster than ever, efficiency isn't optional, it's essential. Manual data entry is tedious, error-prone, and time-consuming. But what if there was a smarter way? Introducing DocBrains, an AI-powered data capture and processing solution from AGIBrains, built to redefine how industries manage information. DocBrains doesn't just process data, it understands it. From multilingual contracts, invoices, handwritten notes to unstructured reports, DocBrains effortlessly captures, categorizes, and converts it all into structured data in seconds. Need a customized solution? DocBrains is powered by modular AI bots, fine-tuned for your domain. No need to rebuild. With simple incremental updates, you adapt, scale, and optimize on the go and can use DocBrains for your process. DocBrains is your universal ally, no matter the industry. Across finance, manufacturing, legal, logistics, DocBrains transforms raw, unstructured content into rich, accessible data repositories. Track performance, visualize insights, export effortlessly. DocBrains closes the loop from document to decision. Faster, smarter, limitlessly scalable. DocBrains isn't just a tool, it's your competitive edge in a data-driven world. Experience the future of intelligent data processing. DocBrains by AGIBrains. For more details and to see how DocBrains can transform your data workflows, log on to www.agibrains.com today.